Elevate your student living experience at Concord at Allendale Apartments, Houston, your one-stop destination for comfort, convenience, and community. Take your pick from spacious studios, cozy one-bedroom apartment, and charming en-suites with a bed that'll make you want to hit snooze every time. Cook in style with chic black appliances, a fridge to store fresh groceries, and a microwave to heat up midnight cravings. Tackle chores quickly with in-unit dishwasher and laundry. Pro or not, the fitness center is fully equipped to smash all your workout goals. Even your wheels have a home with off-street parking. When the weekend comes around, fire up the grill for some yummy barbecue. When the University of Houston and Texas Southern University are just a short drive away, you have time to grab coffee and still be in time for class. Catch a bus from Peach Creek Drive and enjoy adventures around the city. Get ready to step into easy campus life. Secure your spot at Concord at Allendale Apartments, Houston. Now with amberstudent.com.